How to hide online status on your WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide online status on your WhatsApp. So to do that, first of all, open the WhatsApp on your mobile device, and then you will be taken to the chat space where you'll have to simply navigate over to the settings page by simply tapping the settings icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the option privacy. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you can see the option last seen and online. Simply tap on it. After that, in order to change your online status to offline, what you'll have to do is simply set who can see my last seen to nobody, and then under who can see when I'm online, simply select same as last seen and make sure you have selected nobody. Now once you've done both of these, you will appear offline even when you are online on WhatsApp. And that is basically how you hide your online status on your WhatsApp. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.